Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here to share some products that I've selected from BEEBEECRAFT. I was asked to pick some things out and create some projects, so that's what I'm here to share with you is what I got. And then next week I will bring some projects to you. So with that said, if you're not familiar with BEEBEECRAFT, they're an online store that has all kinds of things from beading, dyes, packaging, trim, flowers, you name it, it's there. So please check that out. I'll put that link in the description box for you. They also have an affiliate program, and they have the ability to do what I'm doing. When you contact them, you can ask them about, showing things on your channel. I'm not sure exactly what the requirements are, but you can contact them and they would let you know, and you're able to select product and share it on your channel. So I will link everything down below that I can for you. I noticed some things were out of stock when I was looking, but just ask for, update or notify, and then you can go back and get the item you were looking for. If while you are shopping there and you use my code Scrappinology-10, you'll receive 10% off your entire order. So you want to keep that in mind when you're shopping as well. So I'm going to just start off with the items that I selected. This is called a sparkling glitter ribbon, and you get 10 yards of this, and it looks to be like a pleather, like, the fake leather, and they just had a glittery fake leather. And as you can see, this stuff is really sparkly. And again, there's 10 yards here, so it's quite a bit to play with. The next item I got were these chenille alphabet iron-on patches. You get 52 in the package, and they are all different, the whole set of alphabet times 2, and you can iron these on or not, or glue them on. I think I was checking, and you could kind of peel this off if you don't want to iron it on and use glue. You could do that as well. So or you could sew them on. If you're a sewer and you want to sew them on, you could do that too. So you get your entire alphabet set here, and these measure about 3 inches in height if you're interested in those. So I grabbed those. And then the next thing I got were these crocheted flowers, appliques, and you get 60 in your order. These turned out to, I should have read more carefully, measurement things, but I thought these were smaller, but I actually don't mind that they're not smaller. So you get 60, as I said, and you can see here I have, that one goes that way. I think there's yellow, and there's pink. And did I get all the colors? And the dark orange one over here. So those are the colors that come in there, and I think they're so pretty. They would just make a nice addition for layering on your projects or making embellishments from them. I just think they were so pretty, and the work is really nice on them, if you could tell how beautiful the work is that was done to create them. So that's that. And the next item that I got to share with you are some cabochons and charms. So these actually were a little bit darker than what I expected, because if you see them on the website, they look a lot lighter in color, but maybe that's because of the lighting for the photography. But these are flat back frosted cabochons is what they're called, and they are beautiful. They're very pretty. I plan to use these how you would use them, let's say if you were doing enamel dots or something on a project. Same kind of situation. I'm just trying to turn some of these so you can see some of the colors that are in here. They're just beautiful, and they have such a nice metallic-y look to them. Aren't they pretty? So you get 100 pieces in here. So really beautiful. I really like them. I'm really glad that I got them. I just thought they might be lighter, but actually they do look lighter once you bring them out of the package. Whoopsie. Got cabochons flying all over. The next item I picked up were the black skeleton cabochons. You get 5, and they look just the same. They're all the same. And those are them. Super cute. And these are probably 1 inch tall, so not a bad size at all. The next ones I got is called a bat with cake. Well, it's actually a cupcake. And these are charms, and you get 5. And right there. Super cute. So that's cute. And then the last batch of these that I purchased were these pumpkins. Well, they're pumpkin jack-o'-lanterns. And if you look carefully, there's 2 styles, I believe, in here. One looks a little rounded and one looks a little more tall. And I don't, maybe that's just my eyes playing tricks on me. But you get 20 in here, so it's a really good amount for your Halloween crafting. So I'm going to put those back. And then lastly, I picked out a few die sets, and I got, the first one I got is this one here. These are just picks, like they call them bookmarks, but they're picks. And you get the 4 sizes. The tall is 3.5 inches tall, and those are them. So I'm going to play with these. I think they'll be cute embellishments. The next one I picked up is this one. And these look like embroidery hoops of all different shapes and sizes. Actually, the tallest one is this one, and it's 2.5 inches tall. So basically what you get is you get the hoop. These things come out in the middle, of course. Those are just extras that you can decorate with. There's all kinds of flowers, butterflies, etc. You get more back here on the other side too. They even have the little screws that you can put across so it looks like the top of the embroidery hoop. And then the ears for the bear, the cat, and the bunny, those are separate pieces. So you can add them to the heart. You can add them wherever you want them. So that'll be fun to play with. And then lastly that I have to share with you is this one. And these are Halloween witches, and I think they're adorable. The tallest witch is the standing witch, and she's 3 3/4 inches tall, if you're interested, just for reference point. So these are the ones that I'm going to be playing with, and in the meantime, while you're waiting to see what I come up with, go over and check out BEEBEECRAFT. I will put that link down below for you. And until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.